Hello everyone, magandang buhay sa lahat. Welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo on how to solve simple equations using VAR models. Let us say we have this equation, 2x plus 4 equal to 10. So ano po kaya yung value na nire-represent ng variable x dito sa ating equation? Okay? So that the two sides of the equation are equal. So pwede po nating gamitin yung var models para ma-solve po yung value ng x. Okay? Paano po natin i-represent yung left side ng equation, 2x plus 4, at paano po natin i-represent yung 10 na right side ng equation dito sa ating var model. At magka-come up tayo sa value ng variable which is equal to 3. Okay? So, papaliwanag ko po yan sa inyo step by step. Okay, so bago po ako mag-present ng examples, ay i-define muna natin what is equation and what is var model. Equation, a mathematical statement that two expressions are equal. And var model, a tool that helps us visualize the given equation using rectangles or vars. Okay, so illustrate ko po muna sa inyo ano nga po ba ang ibig sabihin ng equation. Ito po yung ating simple illustration. We have x plus 2 is equal to 3. So ito po ay simple equation. Okay? So ito po ay equation because we have the symbol equal sign. So kapag may equal sign po yung ating expressions, ay ang tawag po niyan ay equation. From the word equa, ito po ay equal. Okay? Kaya ginawa pong equation. Okay? From the word equal. So sa equal sign, meron po siyang left side at meron siyang right side. So ang left side po dito ay x plus 2 at ang right side ay 3. At itong dalawang sides po na ito are expressions. Okay. So nasabi po sa equation na dapat always ang dalawang sides ay equal. Okay? So ngayon, meron po tayong variable x. Ang tanong po dito, ano po yung value na nire-represent ng variable x para mag-equal o mag-balance itong dalawang sides ng equation? Okay? So ito po ay masosolve natin by using var model. Pero dito po sa ating simple equation, alam na po natin kaagad what is the value of x o ano yung value na nare-represent ng x para mag-equal sila. So di ba po ito po ay equal to 1. So that 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Para po sa left side 3 at sa right side 3. So yan po yung ibig sabihin ng equation. Okay? Two expressions are equal. So ito pong left side at right side ay dapat magkapareho. Ano po? So maghahanap po tayo ng value ng variable. Kaya po, simple equation using var models. Okay? So ibig sabihin, we are going to solve equation. So, yan po ay simple. How about this ating equation? 2x plus 9 equal to 15. So ano po yung nire-represent ng variable x dito sa ating equation? So, pwede po nating isolve ito by using var model. Okay, so let's have now example. Use the var model to solve the given simple equation. Okay, we have number 1 example. X plus 4 is equal to 9. So sa ating pong equation, there are two sides. The left side is x plus 4 and the right side is 9. So we are going to find the value of x so that the left side is equal to 9 also because the right side is 9. So sabi po sa ating equation, always po equal yung left and right ng ating equal sign. So ano po yung value na na-represent ng value ng x so that if you add by 4, that is equal to 9. So simple lang po. The value of x here is 5 so that 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Pero paano po natin yan isosolve using var model? Okay? I-represent ko po itong left side, x plus 4, using var model. So, x, then plus 4. So, dalawa pong vars yung x plus 4. So, x and then 4. And then, yung right side ay 9. So, ibig sabihin, isang var lang po, pero as a whole. Bakit po as a whole? Kasi, ito pong x plus 4 ay dapat kabalance niya yung 9. Yun po yung ibig sabihin kapag ibinalance po natin. So, dapat magkatapat po yung ating rectangle. So, x plus 4 and then 9 dapat pantay kasi dapat pantay daw po sila sa equation. Okay? So, ngayon, to solve this one, ay ikakat natin yung 9 into 2 cut. At yung isang cut po niya ay 4 kasi mayroon pong 4 sa taas, tatapatan po natin. Okay, dito ko po sa kabila. So, ito po yung x plus 4. So, ikat po natin yung 9 into 2 parts at yung isang part po ay 4. Okay? Kasi 4 po yung nasa taas. So ano pong value yung isang cut po dito para maging 9 siya? So ito po ay 5. So that 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay, so gawin po yung gawin natin kapag i-cut po natin, dapat yung isang cut po niya ay kapareho yung nasa taas. Okay, 4. And then, kunin po natin yung isa pang cut na dapat ang mag-total po ay 9. Ano po? Okay, so ang purpose nun, ika-cancel po natin itong 4. Okay, mawawala na po yung 4 kasi pareho pong 4 yung nasa taas at nasa baba. So ang matitira na lang pong verse ay ito pong x and then 5. So kapag ganyan po yung natitira, x and 5, yan na po yung value ng x that is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 now. Okay? So check natin kung tama po yung value ng x. So mula sa ating original equation, x plus 4 equal to 9. Ito po yon. Substitute po natin yung value ng x which is 5. Lagay po natin dito sa variable x. So 5 and then ibaba po natin plus 4 equal to 9. Okay? So we have now 5 plus 4 equal to 9. So what is 5 plus 4? If you are going to add, that is equal to 9. So 9 is equal to 9. Are they equal? Yes, equal po sila. So ibig sabihin, yung value po ng x ay 5 na nasolve natin, that is correct kasi nag-equal po yung ating equation. Okay, so how about this number 2 example? We have 2y plus 6 is equal to 10. Okay, the left side is 2y plus 6 and the right side is equal to 10. Now, how are we going to solve for the variable y here para mag-equal itong left at right ng equal sign? So yung right po ay 10, gawin daw po nating 10 din itong left side ng equal sign. So we're going to find for the value of y. So we're going to solve this one by using var model. So i-represent po natin itong 2y plus 6 using vars. Okay, ito po 2y and then 6. 2y plus 6. And ang katapat po niya ay 10. Ito po yung right side. So dapat magkatapat po itong 2y plus 6 at itong 10 kasi sa equation equal po sila. Okay? So yung ating pong var sa taas ay nakat into 2, 2y and 6. Ngayon, ikakat naman po natin itong 10 into 2 cut. At yung isang cut po niya ay 6 kasi meron pong 6 sa taas. Tatapatan po natin. Okay? So yan po 6. Ngayon, ano po yung value dito na isang cut ng 10 para mag-total po na 10? Ano po? So meron na po tayong 6. So, ibig sabihin, yung isang cut po ay 4. So that 4 plus 6 that is equal to 10. Okay? So ngayon, meron po tayong var na 6 sa taas at 6 sa baba. Kapag magkapareho po yan, then we can cancel. Okay? So ang matitira pong vars natin ay 2y and 4. Okay? Lagay po natin dito 2y, 4. So ngayon, dalawa pong y, 2y. So dalawang y daw po yung nasa taas. So hatiin po natin into 2y. Okay? Dalawa na pong y yan. Kasi 2y po sila. Okay? Y and y, pag pinagsama po natin ay 2y. Okay, so since dalawa pong cut ulit yung nasa taas, dalawang y, ikakat naman po natin yung 4 into 2 cut. Since pareho po silang y, dapat ikat po natin yung 4 into 2 equal din kasi equal po yung nasa taas. Pareho pong y. Dapat yung cut po ng 4, pareho pong number. So ano po yung cut ng 4 na pareho? 2 po. So that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, kapag ganito po yung end ng ating verse, so y2, wala pong makakancel, ibig sabihin, ang value po ng y dyan, that is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. Okay, check po natin using original equation kung tama po yung value ng y which is 2. Okay, so original equation po natin ay 2y plus 6 is equal to 10. So ilagay po natin yung value ng y here. Ang ibig sabihin po ng 2y is 2 times y. Okay, this will become 2 times the value of y is 2, kaya 2 times 2, and then bring down plus 6 equal to 10. Okay? And then perform operation. 2 times 2 plus 6. Ang una pong ipe-perform ay multiplication. So what is 2 times 2? That is equal to 4. And then bring down plus 6 is equal to 10. So now we have 4 plus 6. What is 4 plus 6? That is equal to 10. So 10 po itong 4 plus 6 at 10 din po yung right side. Is 10 equal to 10? Yes, they are equal. So therefore, tama po yung ating sagot na y is equal to 2 since nag-equal po yung left and right ng ating equation. Equal po parehong 10. Okay, for number 3 example, we have 4m is equal to 12. We are going to solve this simple equation using VAR model. So, represent ko po yung left side 4m at yung right side equal to 12. So, balance po yung ating rectangles kasi equal po sila. Ito po yung left, ito po yung right. Now, sa ating pong first bar, 4m, apat daw po na m yan, ay hati-hatiin po natin into 4. Okay? Hiwa-hiwalayin po natin yung apat na m. So, m, 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 m. So, apat po sila. Okay? So, ngayon, hinati-hati po natin yung m into 4 kasi there are 4m. So, para maging balance po sila, ikat din po natin yung 12 into 4 equal parts kasi apat po na equal parts yung nasa taas. Okay? So, all you have to do is you're going to divide 12 by 4. Okay? Kasi apat po na var yung nasa taas. What is 12 divided by 4? That is equal to 3. So, that 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is equal to 12. Okay? So, we have now M3, 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 M3. Ibig sabihin po niyan, m is equal to 3. Okay? So, makukuha lang po yung value ng variable kapag single m na lang po siya. Hindi po kagaya to na 4m. Dapat m at meron na po siyang kapartner na number. So, m here is equal to 3. Now, we're going to check if our answer is correct sa ating pong original equation, 4m is equal to 12. So, ang ibig sabihin po ng 4m is 4 times m. Since ang m po ay 3, substitute po natin, 4 times 3, that is equal to 12. Okay? 4m or 4 times m, 4 times 3. And what is 4 times 3 here? That is equal to 12. Then bring down equal to 12. Is 12 equal to 12? Yes, that's correct. Ibig sabihin, since nag-equal po yung ating checking, then yung sagot po natin, m is equal to 3 is correct. Okay, so how about this number 4 example? We have x minus 8 equal to 5. How about kapag ganito po yung given natin na minus? So, kaya na po yung 1, 2, 3 ay puro plus. Ngayon naman po ay minus. So, paano po natin yan i-represent using var? So, ito pong x natin, ito po yung x natin blue. Kapag ganito pong mayroong minus, ay ibababa po natin. Okay? So, yung 8 ay nasa baba kasi po siya ay minus. Isasama po natin doon sa right side na 5. Okay, yung 5, yun po yung idadagdag natin sa 8. So, ganyan po yung gagawin natin kapag minus. Okay? So, yung nasa taas ay x, then yung nasa baba, i-add lang po natin, 5 plus 8, that is equal to 13. So, since yung x po ay nag-iisa na po yung x dito, okay, ibig sabihin, hindi na po pwedeng i-cut yung x. So, ang value ng x dyan ngayon ay equal to 13. So, x is equal to 13 now. So, check nga po natin kung tama yung sagot natin sa equation. Okay? X minus 8 is equal to 5. Ang value po ng x ay 13. So, ilagay po natin dito. 13. And then, bring down po natin, minus 8 equal to 5. Okay? So, what is 13 minus 8? That is equal to 5. Then, bring down equal to 5. Is 5 equal to 5? Yes, that is correct. Since nag-equal po yung left and right ng equal sign, then tama po yung sagot natin na x is equal to 13. Okay, so how about this number 5 example? So we have 2x minus 6 is equal to 2. So the left side of the equation is 2x minus 6 at ang right side ay 2. So how are we going to represent this equation using VAR model? Okay, so first, ito po yung ating 2x. Since this is minus 6, ibababa po natin yung 6 kasi minus po siya. Okay? At idadagdag po natin yung nasa right side ng equal sign which is 2. Ilalagay po natin dito yung 2. Okay? And then, i-add natin 2 plus 6, that is equal to 8. Okay, so we have now 2x and then 8. Since dalawa po yung x natin, kasi 2x, hatiin po natin into 2. So we have x and x. Then equal to 8. Since nakat po yung verse sa taas into 2 equal parts, ikakat din po natin yung 8 into 2 equal parts kasi pareho po silang x. So dapat ang cut po naman daw po dito sa baba ay pareho din pong value. Okay, so this become 4 and 4. So that if you add 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So we have now x4, x4. So hindi na po pwedeng hatiin yung x. So ibig sabihin, the value of x dyan ay equal to 4. Okay, check po natin. sa ating original equation, 2x minus 6, that is equal to 2. So, ang ibig sabihin po ng 2x is 2 times x. Okay? At ang value po ng x ay 4. So, this become 2 times 4, then bring down minus 6 equal to 2. So, multiplication first. 2 times 4, that is equal to 8. Then 8, bring down minus 6 equal to 2. What is 8 minus 6? That is equal to 2. And then equal to 2. So is 2 equal to 2? Yes, that's correct. So ibig sabihin, kapag nag-equal po yung left and right ng equal sign, then tama po yung sagot natin. So the value of x here is equal to 4. Okay, so how about this number 6 example? We have 3a minus 5 is equal to 25. So again, ang ginamit pong operation dito ay minus. So represent po natin yung 3a and then yung minus 5. Yung 5 po ay bababa natin kasi minus po siya. Idadagdag po natin sa 25 dito. Okay, so let's become 25. So add natin 25 plus 5, that is equal to 30. So since yung 3a, tatlo daw pong A yan, hatiin po natin into 3. Okay? Kasi tatlong A. So hatiin po natin tagi-isa, A, that is 3A, is equal to 30. Since nahati po yung nasa taas na rectangles into 3 equal parts, kasi pare-pareho pong A, ibig sabihin pare-pareho po ang laki. So hatiin naman po natin yung 30 into 3 equal parts. Okay? So pag hinati po natin into 3 equal parts, ito po ay 10, 10, 10. So pare-pareho din po sila. So pare-pareho pong A, pare-pareho pong 10. And if we add 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is equal to 30. So we have now A10, A10, A10. So ibig sabihin, ang value po ng A, that is equal to 10. Kasi hindi na po pwedeng hatiin yung A. Okay? So check po natin sa ating original equation yung value ng A kung tama. So 3a minus 5 equal to 25. So 3a means 3 times a. Ang a po ay 10. So let's become 3 times 10, then bring down minus 5 equal to 25. So what is 3 times a? 3 times 10 rather, that is equal to 30. Then minus 5 equal to 25. So what is 3 minus 20? 30 minus 5, that is equal to 25. Is 25 equal to 25? Yes, that's correct. They are equal. So therefore, tama po yung sagot natin that A is equal to 10. Okay, so how about this number 7 example? So we have 2x is equal to x plus 3. How about naman po pag ganito yung given? May variable x sa right, may variable x sa left. So paano po natin yan i-represent? So ganito lang po yun. So 2x, ito po yung left side. X plus 3, ito po yung right side. So ito po ay x plus 3, kaya dalawang hati, x and 3. So, ito pong 2x, hatiin po natin into 2 kasi dalawa daw po na x. So, x plus x, that is equal to 2x. Okay? So, kaya pong dalawang x yan. Okay? And then, copy natin x and 3. Since meron pong magkapareho dito, x sa taas, x sa baba, ibig sabihin, ika-cancel po natin ito. Okay? So, ang matitira po dito ay x and then 3. So, hindi na po pwedeng hatiin yung x kasi mag-isa na po yung x. So, ibig sabihin, the value of x now is equal to 3. So, check po natin if that is correct. So, 2x is equal to x plus 3. So, ang value po ng x ay 3. So, 2x, that means 2 times 3 is equal to, x po ulit ito, 3 pa rin po yung x na ilalagay natin kasi x pa rin po sila. Ano po? So, yung x dito ay 3, x dito po ay 3. So, 3 and then plus 3. So, what is 2 times 3? That is equal to 6. And then sa right side, 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6. Is 6 equal to 6? Yes, they are equal. Since nag-equal po yung left and right ng equal sign, and then, tama po yung sagot natin that x is equal to 3. Okay, so how about this number 8 example? So, we have 2a plus 5 is equal to a plus 12. So, meron po tayong variable a sa left and right. At meron po tayong plus sign or operation na plus sa left and right also. So, paano po natin yan i-represent using var model? So, ganito lang po yan. 2a plus 5. Okay, yan po yan. 2a and then 5. At sa baba naman, a plus 12. Yan po. So, a and then 12. Now, we have 2a here sa taas. Ikakat po natin into 2 parts. Okay, so we have 2a, a plus a. Okay, and then yung 5 natin. So, saan po galing yung AA? Ito po, 2A. So, dalawang A and then ito po yung 5. And then, copy natin A and then 12. Since meron po tayong parehong A dito na magkatapat, then we can cancel A. Okay? So, ang matitira po dito ay A5 and then 12. So, lagay po natin dito A5 and then 12. Since dalawang cut po ulit yung nasa taas, A and 5, then ikakat po natin yung 12 into 2. At yung isang cut po ay 5 kasi mayroon pong 5 sa taas. Okay? So, this become A5 and then kakat natin yung isang cut ay 5. Then, para makuha po yung total na 12, ilalagay po natin dito po ay 7. So that 7 plus 5, that is equal to 12. Okay. So since we have both 5 here, kakancel po natin ulit yung 5 kasi magkapareho po taas at sa baba. Then we have now A7. So that is A is equal to 7. Okay. So ganyan po yung pag-solve using VAR model. So, ang nakuha po natin is A is equal to 7. Check po natin kung tama sa ating equation. Okay, we have now 2A plus 5 is equal to A plus 12. So, ang A po natin ay 7. Substitute po natin 2A means 2 times A. Kaya ito po ay 2 times 7 then plus 5 equal to, ang A po ulit dito ay 7. So, A is 7. So, 7 plus 12. So, multiply first here 2 times 7. That is equal to 14. Then bring down plus 5. At sa right side naman, 7 plus 12 is equal to 19. So, add po natin 14 plus 5. That is equal to 19. At sa right side ay 19. Is 19 equal to 19? Yes, that's correct. So, ibig sabihin, nag-equal po yung equation natin. Then, tama po yung ating sagot, which is A is equal to 7. Salamat sa board kaibigan. Kung natuto ka sa video na ito at nagustuhan mo, baka pwede mo namang i-click yung like and then subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel.